Hi everyone! When you need to patch your databases, you have two choices. The first choice is using in-place patching. With in-place patching, you stop your existing instances running in a specific Oracle home, you patch the Oracle home, and then you start the instances again. And the second choice is using out-of-place patching. With out-of-place patching, you create a new Oracle home instead of patching the existing one. And during today's coffee, I would like to talk about some advantages for using out-of-place patching. So the main advantage is, of course, standardization. You want to have the same binaries running everywhere in your state and make sure that you don't have any configuration drift. So you don't want, for example, to have the production environment running with some one-off patches and the test environment running with other one-off patches. And the same for primary and standby environment if you use DataGuard, for example. So you need to ensure that you have a centralized version of your images that we call gold image repository, where you store all the images that you plan to use as Oracle homes for your databases and have an automated way to install them everywhere. This ensures that you have automation, standardization, no drift detection. And also when it comes to out-of-place patching, you don't need to worry about stopping all the instances at the time that run a specific Oracle home when you use consolidation, because you can always restart individually one database or one instance at a time to the new Oracle home. Of course, if you have real application cluster, you can always do that in a rolling fashion, but even for single instance databases, you can still move one database at a time to the new Oracle homes. And that also gives you a fallback mechanism that you don't have with in-place patching, because with in-place patching, you are patching the binaries, and then if you realize that you have any problems, you need to uninstall the patches. With out-of-place patching, you always have a new Oracle home and also the previous Oracle home, so that you can always fall back to the previous Oracle home. And going forward, so this has been the recommendation for a long time in Oracle. Going forward, we will try to enforce this to be the new standard of patching. Of course, we already have the tools for that, and we will create new gold images for you that will include already the recommended patches, and you can use fleet patching and provisioning to automate the full life cycle of installing Oracle homes and patching databases and upgrading databases in an automated way for your whole fleet. So that's all for today. Thanks.